All right, I really like this Greenworks Pro 26-inch hedge trimmer. It works on their standard 60-volt battery, so I can take this out of the lawnmower or whatever else I'm using. Now, the battery goes in really easy. You're ready to go. All you have to do is hit the safety, and you're cutting. Now, there's a couple little tricks with this I like. One, you're not always doing the top of the hedge, right? You gotta do the sides. I can twist the handle around, and now I'm not twisting my arm around trying to use the start-stop on this.
Perfect. Better than my grandpa's high and tight.
It's gonna be safe for you. I love the balance of this. It's very well balanced with this battery pack right in the right spot of this. So now I can get my hedge dialed right in. One of the great features of this, it has a dual action blade, so it's cutting in both directions. So what's that mean? It's not gonna get all hung up as you're using it, and it's gonna cut up to a 3/4 inch size limb. That's pretty good size for a hedge trimmer. Now, it's really simple, and the best part about it is it's not gas powered, and it doesn't have a cord, so I'm either not gonna cut my cord off, and more importantly, I'm not gonna smell like exhaust when I'm all done with the project. One of the nice things about this is you're using professional grade stuff at home, so you can buy it once and it's gonna last you a long time. You're not trying to take that little cord operated one and it takes you forever to get the job done. Now you can do it like a pro.